When it comes to fat, there is one type that you wouldn't want to cut back on: omega-3 fatty acids. Two crucial ones, EPA and DHA, are found in some kinds of fish, while the third one, ALA or alpha-linolenic acid, is found in plant sources such as nuts and seeds. Not only does our body need these fatty acids to function, but they also come with numerous health benefits. Omega-3 fatty acids can lower triglyceride or TGL levels. The more the TGL levels, the more the chances of heart diseases. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties and can curb stiffness and help manage joint pain better. Studies have shown that cultures that consume more omega-3 fatty acids show less signs of depression. DHA is said to be paramount for visual and neurological development in infants. Adequate consumption of omega-3 fatty acids can help fight asthma, dementia, and even Alzheimer's disease. Our body does not produce omega-3 fatty acids on its own, and hence external supplementation becomes that much more important. Presenting Neptune Krill Oil. Neptune Krill Oil, patented extraction, superior effects. Neptune Krill Oil, marketed by Blue Life, is the most popular nutritional supplement in this category, as it has been proven to be a massive source of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. Neptune Krill Oil has a high concentration of phospholipids that makes it 2.5 times more bioavailable than fish oil.
Neptune Krill Oil has its omega-3s attached to phospholipids. This means that it's much more bioavailable to your body than your triglyceride form fish oils.
Neptune Krill Oil is easier to digest, no reflux or aftertaste. Neptune Krill Oil contains an antioxidant called astaxanthin, a bright red pigment that gives krill oil its red color. NKO boasts of up to 7 times more astaxanthin than any other krill oil. While other antioxidants protect just our body cells from free radicals, astaxanthin crosses the blood-brain barrier, protecting the eye, the brain, and the central nervous system from free radical damage. Neptune Krill Oil has been proven to possess anti-inflammatory properties and promotes healthy cholesterol. Studies have proven that Neptune Krill Oil is highly effective in cases of hyperlipidemia, chronic inflammation, arthritis, and Alzheimer's disease, and even helps with the management of premenstrual syndrome. Neptune Krill Oil is the only halal certified krill oil, no alcohol used in extraction. Neptune Krill Oil not only supports heart health but also promotes dermal health, joint health, enhances mental clarity, and helps maintain a healthy vision.
NKO is already proven to be good for your heart, for your brain, and for your joints.
Suggested usage: 1 soft gel per day or as directed by your dietitian. Adopt Neptune Krill Oil now and gift yourself a healthy heart and a healthy life.